Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
地
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
地的意地地土地土地农民在土地上种玉米，农民在土地上种玉米。大地大地春天来了，大地变绿了。春天来了，大地变绿了。田地田地爸爸在田地里干活，爸爸在田地里干活。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character means the land and earth under our feet, and also refers to a place or location. Since plants all grow from the land, it represents the source of food and supporting families, so Chinese people attach great importance to land. In Chinese culture, it also represents tolerance, steadiness, bearing, life, and foundation. This stroke must be written diagonally, and this stroke must be written a bit higher. See you next class. Remember to practice more.